Welcome to InvestEd Central's Market Minute, sponsored by StockCharts.com. Simply the web's best financial charts.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to February 9th Market Minute. I'm John Hopkins, president of Invested Central. Right now, we got the Dow futures down 8, the S&P futures are down 1, and NASDAQ futures are down 3. Asian markets were mixed, while European shares were higher overnight. The market opened higher Wednesday before moving into negative territory late in the morning. That didn't last long as buyers jumped right back in, erasing the early losses. By the time the market closed, all of the major indexes had advanced. Today we'll get initial jobless claims, with the market expecting 370,000 claims. Today we'll get earnings from Pepsi, SiriusXM, and LinkedIn. On the S&P, we've got the 20-day moving average at 1318, the 50-day at 1275, and the 200-day at 1257. We've got support on the S&P at 1325 and resistance at 1356. The S&P continued to grind upward, putting in a slightly higher high before closing at 1349. All of the major indexes continue to be extremely overbought. Am I starting to sound like a broken record? Sorry, but it's a fact. It's also a fact that at any time we see selling lately, buyers jump right back in. And at some point that's going to end. It's more of a question of when rather than if. In fact, the pullback to 1325 in the S&P is a real possibility here and would at least release some of the pent-up pressure and maybe even put the bulls in a better position to take the market even higher. The NASDAQ has been on a tear lately. Without looking, can you guess the last time the NASDAQ hit 3,000? Guess the month and year and leave it in the comments below. This is John Hopkins. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another Market Minute.